See, this is 12th standard CBSE exercise 5.6 chapter 5. Find the parameter of, you should find out the value of dy by dx. Find dy by dx, dy by dx, but the given question is parameter. It is in the form of parameter. T is the parameter. First you can take it as dx by dt, x equal to a into cos t plus log of tan of t by 2, log of tan of t by 2, log of tan of t by 2, cos t, a into cos t plus log of tan of t by 2. Okay, differentiate x with respect to t, differentiate x with respect to t, so it became what? Dx by dt equal to a into, because it is in a product, a into, what is the differentiation of cos t? Minus sin t. Differentiation of cos t is minus sin t. How many parts are there? That is a chain rule differentiation. See, log of first differentiation, next tan of second differentiation, next t by 2 third differentiation. See, you split the term. Okay, log of tan of then t by 2. So minus sin t plus log of that full term you can take it as x. So log of x differentiation is 1 by x. The same way 1 by tan t by 2, 1 by tan t by 2. Okay, this part is over. Next, tan of t by 2, tan of, what is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. So secant square of t by 2, secant square of t by 2. So this part is over. Then you move on to t by 2. What is the differentiation of x? 1. In the same way, t is 1, but the number comes in a division form, so you will write as it is. So it gives into 1 by 2. Have you all clear? See here, a into, differentiate x with respect to t, a into cos t become minus sin t plus log of, three terms are chain rule differentiation, log of. So in the place of t, what is here? Tan of t by 2. So 1 by tan of t by 2, then tan t by 2 is become secant square t by 2, then t by 2 become 1 by 2. So it gives a into minus sin t, a into minus sin t 1 by secant plus secant square of t by 2 by 2 into 1 by 2, 2 into tan t by 2, tan t by 2. See here, minus sin t plus secant square, 1 into secant square t by 2 is secant square t by 2 by 2 into tan t by 2. See the last step, a into minus sin t plus secant square t by 2 into 2 tan t by 2. See here, dx by dt equal to a into minus sin t plus what is secant? 1 by cos. Secant is nothing but what? 1 by cos. Cos square t by 2. Cos square t by 2 by 2 into, what is tan? Tan is nothing but what? Sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. Sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. So it gives, see here, a into minus sin t, a into minus sin t plus 1 by cos square t by 2. 1 by cos square t by 2 into, you can reciprocal the term. Division means you can reciprocal the term. What is the value you are getting? Cos t by 2 by 2 sin t by 2. Cos t by 2 by 2 sin t by 2. Cos get cancelled. What is the final value? See here, it gives a into minus sin t. A into minus sin t plus 1 by 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. See, dx by dt. Dx by dt equal to a into minus sin t plus 1 by, see here, 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Yesterday also we have seen this one. Sin t equal to 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 of multiple angle. It is a trigonometric formula. Okay, see here, what is that? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equal to sin theta. So you will write sin t. Sin t. See, it gives a into, you can cross multiplication, sin square t plus 1 by sin t. Sin square t plus 1 by sin t. 1 minus sin square t is nothing but cos square t. So dx by dt equal to a into 1 minus sin square t is cos square t by sin t. Cos square t by sin t. Then you move on to y value. What is y? Y equal to a sin t. Now y with respect to t, differentiation of y with respect to t. So dy by dt equal to, dy by dt equal to a into differentiation of sin t is cos t. A into cos t. See, dy by dt equal to a into cos t. Now we should find out the value of dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt by dx by dt. So it gives dy by dt is nothing but what? A cos t by dx by dt is a cos square t by sin t. A cos square t by sin t. It get cancelled. What is a value get cancelled? See here, it gives 1 by cos t into sin t. Sorry, sin t by cos t by sin t. It goes to the numerator. It become sin t by cos t. See here, dy by dt equal to a cos t. Dx by dt equal to a cos square t by sin t. So it get cancelled. Cos t and cos t get cancelled. That sin t goes to the numerator. A and a value get cancelled. What is the final value for this? Sin t by cos t is nothing but what? Tan t. So dy by dx equal to, what is the value? Tan t. See, exercise 5.6, find dy by dx. Ninth sum, x equal to a secant theta, y equal to b tan theta. Theta is the parameter. See here. See, differentiate. First you can take it as x equal to a secant theta. Differentiate x with respect to theta. Okay, x with respect to theta. So differentiate with respect to parameter. What is the parameter here? Theta. So it gives dx by d theta equal to, dx by d theta equal to a into, what is the differentiation of secant theta? Secant theta into tan theta. Differentiation of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta. Next you move on to y value. What is y? Y equal to b tan theta. Y equal to b tan theta dy by d theta. The same way y with respect to theta. It gives b into differentiation of tan theta is nothing but what? Secant square theta. Differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. Now you find the value of dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta by dx by d theta, it gives b secant square theta by, what is dx by d theta? A secant theta tan theta. A secant theta tan theta. See, secant theta get cancelled. What is the final step? See here, b by a. B by a, secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta by, what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. So dy by dx equal to b by a into 1 by cos theta into cos theta by sin theta. Reciprocal the term. So cos theta get cancelled. It gives the answer. Cos theta get cancelled. It gives the answer b by a 1 by sin. 1 by sin is nothing but what? Cosecant theta. 1 by sin is cosecant theta. This is the answer of dy by dx. See, 10th sum, find dy by dx. In this sum also theta is the parameter. See, first you can take it as x equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. So dx by d theta. Differentiate x with respect to theta. Differentiate x with respect to theta. A into, because it is a product, a into cos theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. See here. See, two terms are there. So you can use it as uv formula. Suppose x sin x means you can use it as a product rule. In the same way, theta sin theta. So you can use it as a product rule. U v dash plus v u dash. So plus u theta. What is v dash? Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta plus v sin theta. What is u dash? Theta become 1, because if x become 1, the same way theta become 1. So into 1. See here, a into minus sin theta plus, once again I repeat, u v dash plus v u dash. Theta, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta plus v sin theta into differentiation of theta is 1 minus sin theta, theta cos theta plus sin theta. So sin theta get cancelled. What is the final answer for dx by d theta? Dx by d theta equal to a theta cos theta. A into theta cos theta. So a into theta cos theta. Next you move on to y. Y equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Sin theta minus a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Differentiate y with respect to theta. So it become what? Dy by d theta. It become dy by d theta equal to a into. Same way, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Whenever minus comes, I told you, you can put a bracket. Okay. Same, two theta terms are there. You can use it as uv formula. Theta, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta plus v cos theta into theta become 1. See here, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta minus come, you can put a bracket, so you bring minus inside, okay, minus u theta. Differentiation of v is cos theta means minus sin theta plus v cos theta. Differentiation of theta is 1. So it gives the answer a into cos theta. Minus into minus become plus. Minus into minus become plus theta sin theta. Because I put bracket here, it is multiplication. You don't think theta minus sin theta. It is multiplication. U v dash. So it is a product. Okay. So minus sin theta, minus into minus become plus, minus theta sin theta, minus into plus, minus cos theta. See, you apply minus here also, minus into plus, minus cos theta. Cos theta get cancel. Cos theta get cancel. See, dx by d theta equal to a into theta cos theta. The same way, dy by d theta equal to a into theta sin theta. A into theta sin theta. Dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So d theta get cancelled, it become dy by dx. So what is the value of dy by d theta? A into theta sin theta by a into theta cos theta. A into theta cos theta. So a cancel, theta cancel, sin theta by cos theta equal to what is the value? Tan theta. Dy by dx equal to tan theta. See the 11th sum. X equal to root of a sin inverse of t, y equal to root of a power cos inverse of t. Show that dy by dx equal to minus y by x. See here, you can write xy equal to root of a power sin inverse of t into a power cos inverse of t. A power sin inverse of t into a power cos inverse of t. So it gives root of. So you will write it. Okay, you clap and write a power sin inverse of t into a power cos inverse of t. A power sin inverse of t into a power cos inverse of t. If the bases are same, we can add the powers. So here a power sin inverse of t plus cos inverse of t. A power sin inverse of t plus indices formula, a power sin inverse of t plus cos inverse of t. You know the trigonometric formula. What is the trigonometric formula? Sin inverse of t plus cos inverse of t equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse of t plus cos inverse of t equal to pi by 2. So therefore xy equal to root of a power pi by 2. I replaced sin inverse of t plus cos inverse of t equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2. So root of a power pi by 2. Now you differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. So differentiate with respect to x. See xy. UV formula. You apply UV formula. X into y become dy by dx because differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. X into y become dy by dx plus y into x become 1. Y into x become 1. See, there is no x term here. there is no x term, so it become constant, it becomes 0. It is constant, there is no x term, there is no y term, so it is a constant, so it become 0. So it gives 0. So x into dy by dx equal to, you bring it to this side, it becomes what? Minus y. So it gives the answer dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to minus y by x, hence the proof.